Hello, everybody. My name is Joanna. In this opportunity, I would like to share with you a video about the activity step 6 of technology. And I would like share with you this activity about technology and teaching English as foreign language. Mm, in this video, I want to show three topics about the tech tips. First, the use of the blogs. First, the use of the blogs. This is a tool very excellent in order to improve the reading and reading, and it's very easy for interact with the knowledge of the other people. For example, I would like share with you this application is very easy for use. You can find this in your Gmail. Yes, you inside. Please. You can inside here click in Blogger. It's an example about a topic about fundamentalismo religioso. For example, you can find the topic, pictures, and videos. The kind of use of this is very easy. You can to create page, design, topic. You can edit your account, Blogger. Okay. I want to share with you a Blogger in English. A second, please. Yes. This is a blog of English in order to improve your communication, your reading, grammar exercise. For example, like here you find the times, present simple, present continuous, present perfect. This example, present continuous, positive and negative. You can practice here and to check if your response is okay. Yes. Okay. I study about this topic, learners' perception on the use of the blogs for IFL. This is main learning, because the student felt that reading and reading blogs help improve their reading and writing ability. Okay, this is the first topic. The second topic is about web quest. Yes, it's a tip for learn and teach English, and it's a tool of internet and which has been with us over 40 yards, about 40 yards, and has been the best painting which has impacted positively. And please, I explain this in another moment. In the technology, the wet quiz were developed in America by Bernie Dutch in 1995. Learning alternative is precisely that online tool that allows learning to be optimized, the experience that the people who wish to learn it. This is an example for this. In order to learn about fruits and the explanation about the activity. Yes, first you can watch the video, yes, to pay attention about the explanation, and next to to create knowledge about these activities. For example, this is the video. It's a video very interactive for the kids, for example, and they come to difference between the fruits. Okay, it's an example. Next is the explanation of the activity. Okay, in English, after to watch the video, a student take a, a paper with some fruits and their names in English, and he must to associate each fruit with the name of each fruit. For example, orange, pear, lemon, banana, strawberry. Okay. And then you can find a listening about this activity and to improve the listening. I want to open here. Okay. Okay, it's very interesting for me too, and you can learn new vocabulary. Yes, and the pronunciation. For example, frambuesa, raspberry, lime, lime, fig, strawberry, coconut, plum, cherry. Okay, peanuts. Okay, whatever. There are some words about the fruits and to practice. It's very interesting this application, and in addition, there are many people that does not know about this application yet. It's good for the students to learn about this technology is because it's very easy for to complete their studies, their knowledge, and to learn about another people, another students. And there are tips about to learn English in the technology is the wikis. Wikis. This tool is very interesting too because the term wiki means quick es rápido en español, quick in hawaiano, okay. With the 3.0 innovation, the wikis appears become a wonderful tool in order to plan and build with others. The user who decides to create a wiki can modify, for example, wherever information, add, change, delete, okay, for example here. You can to edit. Now you can to press start to edit. Okay, this is an example. And the content in time and even allow the collaboration of other users. Okay, Wikispace was founded in 20 20 okay, I'm sorry, 2005, and as science being used by educators, companies, and individuals across the globe. You can edit in this space, but in this moment is an example. For this reason, I want to explain only, and then the vocabulary of animals. For example, you can to learn rooster, hen, chicken, snake, fish, spider, monkey, panda, shivo. I don't know the pronunciation in English. Chivo, kid. It's good to learn. Iguana, gorilla, octopus. Okay. These are the space that I know found in the page webs. And thank you very much for your attention, and the idea is to continue improve the tools for the student, and we as a teacher to use this space for to help the students. Thank you very much.